another song called Real Niggas. Why do you guys call yourself this word that has been...
We didn't give ourselves this name now.
But right now in society, you guys are calling yourself niggers.
We brothers, we boarded a plane together. We bother no one on this street. We're busy crossing on his borders. We're busy chasing on his Grammys. We are moving like a granny, no gravy. Inyama siyitshela ngobisi. The family call it truce. Basibone sisela ijuice. You get between us is a lose. Accept the use, asking your excuse. Nigga don't fuck with the brothers, yeah. Nigga that kill the others, yeah. We act like lovers, yeah, but we no gay, yeah. Tela usuke endleleni sibari sifuna le mitha sana, sifuna nembola nani. Basibhizi niggas, basibone singena emall, basibone sikhule mos, sifune ne-cooler box, sifune nespango boss, asithengisa isawule mos. Saze usibona sisilwa sibambe nesichana, sithanda nanyani, we brothers for real. Yeah, we brothers, we boarded a plane together. We murder no one on this street. Yeah, we brothers, we boarded a plane together. Murder no one on this street. Yeah, we brothers. We from the east. We pulling those signs. Represent the coast. And the sponsors is fucking with map. Shit isn't easy. SNOWBLAQ thanks to you, Sergeant paying for the beat.
We carry that word. Right now, the word is like saying home.